We're going over carburetor replacement on the Troy-bilt Horse.
First thing you're gonna do is to take this out. Unscrew these. Take this off. You have a filter and a foam. So I ordered a filter and a new carb, and it actually came with everything, like a whole tune-up kit. And we're gonna use a 10mm to get this off. Here we have removed our air filter, and we have a 10mm. Just gonna remove the cover, plastic cover. And our hose here, just gonna twist it out of the way. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just unplug the power cord into the carb. Easier to take it off. Okay. Just gonna twist it out. This. Go. Alright, now we got the carb out. You can see this one, we had a leak here. We had a problem with the O-rings. We're just replacing the whole carb. This has kind of leaked to where there's really nothing left, so I don't expect it to be too much fuel there.
You know what my bottle is? Her bottle is?
So just pinch your clamp, pull that back. Try not to spill too much fuel. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, the carb's out. This is an important seal here. There's really nothing wrong with that. We'll put the new seal in. I'll see. Now that I'm here, let's see what I got. It's about 28 bucks. I'm excited. Air filter. Nicely made in China. So it does fit. Air cushion. Goes first. Oh, maybe we'll just change it out. What the heck? First. That's it for that. And spark plug. Probably do all this. I gotta mow the yard tonight, so we're just gonna work on the carb right now. Complete carb kit. All right. So I was actually missing a seal here too. Should have 2 seals. So I got 2. This bad boy on. This is kind of idiot proof. You get the little hole for the spring. Making it difficult. Okay. Oh, you know what? Looks like we need this piece. Kind of raggedy. I wish it would have came with one of these. It survived. Done deal. Easier to do this for sure while you can twist and turn it. Alright, so put it in here first and then we put it in the wires. That's the only way I've been able to start it is with the magnet tool. Finally got it with the magnet tool. So it's a pain, but we got it. The magnet tool I got from a Harbor Freight set. I guess if you just use something sticky, like some beeswax, you can do it that way too. Screw that bolt constantly pushes back, and we need that to be tight. Add on our new filter. Alright, everything's nice and tight. She's ready to go.